What's up? Happy Friday. How are you?
Happy Friday! Can you believe we made it?
Well, no, because actually, it's been a rough one, and I'm coming to you with, as usual, a little situation that I would love your help with. So if you're ready for it, let me know.
Talk to me.
Okay. All right. So obviously, we've been talking a lot internally, right, about end of year issues where brokers are really trying to do their best to help clients, but they're so busy. Their clients are busy, HR teams are busy, and now they're at a point where, okay, they're at decision making time. They're looking to move some of these benefits like HSAs, FSAs, COBRA over to a new partner like Lively. They've carved out the time to do it, but the concern is more so like, okay, how am I going to ensure that my employees adopt something that might be a little bit more tech forward than they're used to? And I don't have the time to do that as an HR person, and I can't rely on my broker to do it. What's the avenue to success
Yeah.
for increasing that adoption and making sure everybody feels comfortable with the whole thing?
Yeah, so totally hear you. What I know about HR reps is they are extraordinarily busy right now. They've got the holidays, they've got renewals, they're talking to carriers, they're talking to all sorts of providers. And so they just generally don't have the time to babysit the employees as it comes to, how do I open this email? What's my balance? How do I log in? What's awesome is that Lively's actually introduced a new chatbot feature using AI that actually helps answer questions for employees. So literally all they have to do is log into Lively, ask a question, and they'll get an answer real time, 24/7. What's neat is that our hope is that that's going to prevent them reaching out to their employer administrator and asking a question on how to get into Lively. What is this email they've just received? How do they reimburse themselves for an out-of-pocket expense, whatever it might be? So, that's really something that we value heavily, especially because Lively is just so easy to get implemented in general. Like in terms of the HR experience, we're working with third-party Ben admins. We're setting up file feeds. We've got an entire team dedicated to implementations from start to finish. And so what we want to do is make sure that they're focusing on like the long-term strategy piece of it, but not necessarily the day-to-day of, hey, I can't remember my login. Where's my card? Something of that nature.
So let me ask you this, because I think one of the other things that comes up that I think the HR leaders are hesitant towards when it comes to the AI piece of it and AI driven technology is lack of personalization, right? Is this just pulling from Google, right? Like, so how are we ensuring on our side that it does feel personal to the employee?
Yeah, so what we've actually created is called Lively IQ, and we work with the employer administrators and brokers to upload their SBCs. So that way they are actually getting a customized experience of the actual plans that their employer is going to offer them, as well as any ancillary benefits. So we're going to plug in, say you have Blue Cross Blue Shield, high deductible health plan. We're going to also plug in that your employer is offering an HSA. They're also offering maybe an FSA or any other benefits alongside of that. And we're going to tailor the responses of taking information from you, demographics, your health, do you know that you're diabetic, that you have recurring costs? So we're going to then tell you what we believe based off of all the information we've gathered, what plan works best for you.
This sounds way better than like Ask Jeeves. Remember, from like, what was that, like 30 years ago? No, this is really good. I'm excited to share this, and I think it's something that, to your point, right? It makes something that it feels so kind of foreign to people, like an actually personalized experience they can feel good about while leaning into AI at the same time, which is something we all know. The adoption of AI is something that we all need to lean into. So I love that we're offering something that's like really approachable for the employee, but also easy to manage for the HR rep and the HR people. It's designed to help you and make you more efficient. It is not designed to replace you. This is going to allow you to do things that add more value to the business instead of almost wasting your valuable time answering questions that you can automate and really help your employees get those questions answered more quickly and empower them to be able to find things on their own. So this has been super helpful. I appreciate you, and you know I'll
Happy to
have
help.
more questions in the future. So look forward to more pings like that.
All right. Chat soon.